Do I look like I know what I'm doing? Yes, of course. I'm back at mechanic with a K. Depending what I'm doing, I'm either mechanic with a C, or I haven't earned the H yet. That's the only thing I know.
Not yet.
Not yet.
You will before you know it.
So. Oh yeah, for this, of course, I'm gonna start with this one. Like that, then, okay. And they will go back in. You told me to do it with that.
Well, that's the right way of doing it. I have strong fingers.
I am filming this to show people. Oh, god damn. Okay, let me
Yeah,
try
but
this.
show them how to do it with a screwdriver. I'm not a normal case here.
Oh my god.
What's wrong? See, oh, good, you did that.
There we
Did you
go.
see it? Okay.
And then those we put back. You tell me how, you teach me how to do something and then
These
you...
ones will put back in here.
Yes. And then basically piece of tape on top and we don't lose anything.
There you go.
Success. It's not that hard.
So there's 4 nuts on this.
Oh, you're on the outside. Oh yeah, you're doing the one that are... I was like... How come?
I'm doing the opposite to you.
Yeah.
It works.
I realize that now. Oh my.
If this car was born in Japan, raised in Canada, you couldn't take any of the stuff off.
Yeah.
But if it's raised in the US, there's no rust on it.
I have one more here to do. No, I already did it. No, I have one more inside.
Huh? Is there 3 on that side?
I have the 3 and the one inside.
Here's only 2.
The light needs to come, the bulb needs to come off.
No.
What do you
The
mean?
bulb on that side?
Yeah. Right.
That one's
That
just a
comes
twist.
off. So this is a twist and that comes off this. Basically, I'm gonna go do the other side. Let me do it. Let me do it.
You're gonna do it?
Yes.
Here, okay. You break it.
Yes. I break my own stuff. That does not look like the other side at all, does it?
You need the lights too.
Well, mechanic with a K. Ah!
Did you unplug this bulb?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a good thing I did. Oh wow. That's
Okay.
that's cool. Next step is to take the fender off. Now I know what it's called because you just told me.
Yes.
There is 6, 7 bolts in it. They're all 10 mils, And the thing is, there is 2 of them that have to go through the door or something. So we're gonna start with that so it doesn't fall off weirdly and we don't damage anything.
Very smart.
Yes.
You should be a mechanic.
With a CH?
Yes. No. With a K. Mechanic with a K.
Denied.
CH once you get the engine out.
I'm not there yet. So what do we have here? The top one, and we had something on this. Oh, those 2. You think that's what we do next?
It's up to you.
I mean, that's. Is there stuff inside? No, I don't think there's stuff inside. Okay, let's do that. Okay.
Wild.
That is very loose. Can you grab this? Can you? Okay. That is very loose.
That's loose for sure, yeah.
Okay, what else do we
Crazy.
have? We have the. I just banged the car. Oh, it's not good. It's not what you want.
What do you want?
No, it's fine. So what we're saying is that this is the last one?
It's not underneath anything, or?
No, I don't. I think I'm on the last one.
Yeah.
I don't feel good about everything.
It's okay. I'll hold it just in case. If it falls, I'm not catching it though. All right.
Okay.
Watch out, you don't scratch the paint on this side though. When it comes out.
Is it free? I'm not sure it's free. No, something's off.
On the
No, it's absolute
Here.
failure. Yeah, I missed one, didn't I? Two. I missed 2.
You missed 2.
Of course I missed 2. Why
Hey,
wouldn't
I asked you.
Oh, that's interesting.
What is it? Bigger?
Yeah.
11 or 12?
Yes. Okay, now
Ready?
the fender comes off.
Okay.
Okay, let's have a
Make
nice...
sure it doesn't hit the door on that side when it comes off.
Okay,
Cool.
we need a nice shot with the camera.
Clips.
Something fell off. Ooh.
Okay. Where do you want this? Ta-da! There you go. You could get a little title. Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.